Hey guys, it's Steph with Steph's Adventures and Fab Buys, and I've got an unboxing to do today. Hey, I'm Stephanie, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. I've got an unboxing to do today. It is a sad day for us here in the household. The boyfriend had to go to the emergency room for some complications, and they decided to keep my boyfriend for a few days, and I am worried about him. But I know that the Lord will take care of him. So with that being said, I'm going to do my best to do a happy unboxing for us. So if I look a little down today, or a little out of things, and that's probably why. And I've got a lot of unboxing to do in the next couple of days. Let's see what we've got in today's box. I missed a delivery on a couple of pieces that I wanted to do the unboxing with on the same day. You'll have to forgive my state address and everything. It's been a crazy day, and I promise y'all I do dress better than what y'all seen me lately. I know you're thinking, good Lord, why does this woman spend so much money on luxury to run around looking like crap all the time? And yeah, that's a good question, ain't it? But so yeah, when I put it together, honey, it's together. So you might not even recognize me. So let's get this undone. Seriously. And I know this got to be sacks, because ain't nobody box like that with sacks. And I don't want to tear the box up. I usually keep my boxes. You're not supposed to keep your stuff in the boxes, but I do a lot of moving stuff. Forget it, I'm ripping the box open, y'all. Okay. And oops, no, I don't think that this one is from Saks. These are from Yoox. And the reason I can tell is the box is just a plain box. So we'll throw that out of the way and see what we got in the bag. They did give it a nice tissue wrap. Yeah. So, ooh yeah, honey, that's real sexy. Tell you what. Oh, look at that. They're moon boots. And if you've not heard of moon boots, they're crazy. It started last year or a few years ago. And excuse the nails and everything, like I said, it was not not with it today. But yeah, it's a craze that started a few years ago, I believe. And that reminds you of snowboard boots or ski boots. And that's the name, moon boots, because they look like you're walking on the moon. And these are just some really cute little slides from Yoox. And see, moon boots. And they're just little nylon boots. Or nylon slides, which are great for the snow and wet winter weather. And they're just really fun and funky. So, see, the bag says moon boot. And they come in their own little carry bag. So, and these are the little moon boots. And these are, see the back? And the tag says moon boot. And I've got a cute little pair of these coming from Saks. But this was a pair, I think I got these for $37 from Yoox. And so that was a great steal and a great deal. I go in and out of the house a lot. In the winter particularly, you know, and I wanted something warm and safe to run around in, use as house shoes. And that was my idea of house shoes for this house. Yeah. So, that's my little moon boots, guys. So, and I'm gonna try them on. Moon boot sizes are, I'm down here where you guys can see now, but sure. Moon boot sizes are a little different. I think instead of sizing up, that you size down one for them. Nikes. That you would size down for them. Oh, Lord. Yay. They're perfect. And oh my God, y'all, these are the ugliest things I've ever seen in all my born days. They are so ugly that they are cute. You know what I mean? It's kind of like with Uggs. They're so ugly till they're cute. Yeah, and let me see if there's any way to for you guys to see this. These things are hilarious. Okay. I don't know if you guys can see these or not. But yes, are they comfy? Oh my God, yes. Am I wearing these out of the house? Hell no. But yeah, they're cute. Wherever you guys are in the world, I hope that peace and love finds you. I hope that you have all that you ever dreamed of. Please like, share, and subscribe. hit that notification bell so that you'll get notified when I do one of these insane unboxings. Some really ridiculous shoes. And, yeah. For better or worse, that's my house shoes. And, yeah, the boots are cuter, I'm assuring you. But for house shoes, they do great. Are they sexy? Hell no. Yeah, I don't even think that a silk chemise nightgown is gonna help that. But yeah, when you need something cute and functional, or just wanna look down and laugh, these are the way to go. You're certainly not gonna fall. Y'all have a great day. Wherever you are in the world, I hope that peace and love finds you. I hope that you find all that you've ever dreamed of. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell, like I said, so that you can join me for these outlandish unboxings. And join the luxury family here on YouTube. And chit-chat with each other in the comment section below. A hit or a miss. Would you do this? Please let me know. Love you guys. See you in the next few days on the next unboxings. And keep us in your prayers. I'm going to put my Nikes back on.